If you didn't watch the video, obviously you saw this morning I ended up with a programming issue between what is actually in the box, what's on the program card, whatever. Nothing matches up. I've got the Spectrum Firma 160 amp ESC that's actually in that vehicle right there. And for some strange reason, nothing is lining up. The manuals online don't line up. The manual that was in the box doesn't line up. The program card actually does hook up and it coincides with whatever programming is on that ESC, but nothing is telling me where I am with that ESC other than I was able to figure out motor rotation. That's it. I have no idea what my punch level is. I don't know nothing. So, I don't know. So anyways, today on RC Guy Garage, we've got the EXB out. We're running a locked diff. I JB welded it. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. If you're interested in continuing to run your RC, if you're just sitting there waiting, stop waiting. If you've got a blown diff, just do what I did and at least you'll be able to get out and rip it. Now, you're supposed to let approximation, you're supposed to let that stuff cure for 24 hours. Well, I think I finished working on it at like, I don't know, maybe 9 or 10 at night or something like that. I really don't remember when I finished working on it, but right now it's been like, let's say it's been 12 hours. I feel it's going to be sufficient. I just need to get out and rip it. And I suggest you guys, if you've got a diff that has blown in your EXB, just lock it up and rip the thing. All right, GoPro on. Radio on? It's important. I'm actually really liking this radio. Right. Oh, that's where I'm not going to be able to control this RC, is obviously that, because I can't, because I'm running the stock pinion, which I think is like, what is it, a 14 tooth pinion or something like that, that's where I'm not going to be able to get that rotation. If I up the gear ratio, I'll be able to get that rotation, but I'm not going to up the gear ratio until I'm able to get my game changer fan actually on this RC, because I already know I got those motor temperatures like way up there. We were in the 200 degree range, possibly higher than 200 degrees, because it does take like, a minute to take the body off and all that stuff. But we are ripping it on the backyard track. Rotation's going to be tough, but let's just keep going. Oh! That's the bad thing about not having the wheelie bar. Otherwise, I'm going to destroy the wing. Ah, rear end's already wiping out. Damn it. So I can already hear the rear end wiping out. Oh, that bumper really takes a beating. So I can hear my gears flipping out of here. So let the JB Weld cure up for, I don't know, 24 hours. Ah, this thing rips. Ah, it's such a shame about this rear differential, man. And I know eventually it's just gonna be junk. That's where I'm probably gonna have to throw. Yeah, it's junk. Oh. Yeah, letting loose. It's letting loose. Boy, that bumper takes a slam. Holy smokes. Oh my God. Holy smokes. Yeah, it's pretty much all front drive now. It's a front wheel drive. It's still transferring power to the rear. That's insane with these LSDs. Yeah, the rear is toast. Ah, it's a front wheel drive now. Damn it. It's still trying to transfer power too. Front wheel drive. Yeah. It's now a total front wheel drive machine. Damn it. Oh, it still wants to lock. Front wheel drive, baby. Oh my God. Well, it is what it is. Yeah, my gears, my total front wheel drive now. Oh. Oh, power out of it. Getting stuck in the bushes here. Ah. Well, that's the price you pay to rip it. Right? So you gotta look at it. God, it sounds terrible now. It's crazy. It still runs, man. Front wheel drive. What's up, Creeper? Alright, so that's it. I think I'm done beating the crap out of the KRATON EXB with its blown rear differential. So, obviously body collision. Shock tower, something's poking through right there. And let's see. Just gave it a quick little wash down. The motor is extremely hot. I've got to get a game changer fan on there. I think I'm done until I get my game changer on there. I do not want to keep ripping this thing like that. So I'm going to leave this thing upside down. GoPro is literally on just because I wanted to show you that my rear differential has technically unlocked. The JB Weld did not survive, but I may still be able to go in because look. So we still have gear rotation. So that's what the insane part is. So I still actually have something in there that's giving me teeth. I might have just, who knows, maybe the mixture of oil that's actually inside of that rear differential. Maybe the oil didn't allow the JB Weld to cure or whatever, but if you want to keep ripping your thing, if you want to keep ripping your RC, the EXB, just JB Weld it and be done with it. And then just throw the diff in once the diff is available. That's the biggest thing right now, is having the stuff available for this RC. So I am just going to let it be in the sun, let it do its thing. I'm going to disconnect my battery pack. Battery pack actually did fine. So there we go. That was the rip of the EXB from RC Guy Garage. And don't be afraid to get out there. And like I always say, don't be afraid to rip it. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely worth it. Get out there and have a blast. That's all I got to say about that. Oh! Into the woods. Holy crap! Oh, body off! Oh my god! I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh Jesus Christ! Oh yeah! That was right to my face.